Hi, my name is Heather Ford, and I am a traffic attorney out of New Orleans, also known as the Traffic Ticket Lady. And today I want to talk a little bit about what should you do if you have a ticket that has your license suspended. Should you just pay it? Before I get started, if you ever have a question about a traffic ticket, a suspended license, you can always shoot me a text at 504 233 8529, or you can go to trafficticketlady.com. So, if it turns out that there's like a single ticket that has your license suspended, the question becomes like, what should you do? Should you just pay the ticket, get that paid receipt, and get your license back? And unfortunately, the real answer is the lawyer's answer, which is it just depends on what kind of ticket. So that's the first question. If it's a ticket for, say, driving while suspended, then the answer is no. Because if you pay the ticket, you may get your license back, but it's eventually going to be suspended again for another year. Now, the question becomes if it's for a non-moving violation, like maybe registration, no registration, expired brake tag, or something of nature, and you just forgot to pay the ticket. Most likely, in most cases, you can feel pretty comfortable paying that ticket and taking a paid receipt for that ticket and getting your license back. Like I said, non-moving violations by and large don't impact your driving record, don't impact your insurance, and they are fairly safe tickets to pay. May become a closer call if you have multiple non-moving violations on one ticket. So like maybe you had a ticket for expired brake tag, no registration, a tint, and those put together could be an expensive ticket. This is where you just kind of have to do kind of a cost-benefit analysis of how soon do you need your license versus how long it maybe will take to resolve that ticket a different way. And it might be worth talking to an attorney about it just to maybe let you know what some of your options could be. Where it gets to be a closer call is what happens when that ticket is like for a moving violation or multiple moving violations. And it will take a while to get the paperwork you need if you don't just pay the ticket. So if you have a ticket for like a speeding ticket in a jurisdiction that's really hard to get to, where they only have court maybe once a month, then sometimes maybe it's worth taking the hit of a moving violation to be able to get your license back. So like I said, in those cases, that becomes a closer call. If you have multiple moving violations on that one ticket, you have to think about it because you're going to get your license back, but then you're going to have to get insurance. And eventually those charges will hit your license, and it can make it very expensive to have insurance in the future. And sometimes I feel those phone calls where people paid tickets because they wanted to get their license back, but now the insurance price is killing them. So again, if you're kind of in a situation where you're not sure, you want to get your license back as soon as possible, but you have these multiple moving violations out there, again, you might want to talk to a lawyer in the area. Maybe there's some opportunity to get the paperwork you need to get your license. Maybe they can get you a new court date sooner than you think, and you can take that paperwork to get your license while you wait to resolve the tickets. I know that's what I do. I focus and prioritize how do we get the paperwork you need to get reinstated, and then we can work on actually getting the charges reduced and keep them off your record. But again, my name is Heather Ford. I'm happy to answer any questions, give you some thoughts. If you have a traffic ticket, suspended license, you can always shoot me a text, 504-233-8529, or you can go to trafficticketlady.com. Thank you and have a great day.